So how do we actually set up our GameSir G7 SE controller? Well, the first thing we need to do is to grab the cable that you should have gotten when you actually got the G7 SE controller. So grab the cable and then just insert it here, the USB-C, and just gonna insert it here. Make sure to push it all the way until you can hear a click. And then the other end is going to be inserted into your PC or laptop. You can see it's inserted here for me. It's on USB here, as you can see. So basically now when you have inserted this one into your PC or laptop, you need to then get an app called GameSir Nexus. So I already have this app here, as you can see, but if you don't, just go into Google, search for GameSir Nexus and get this specific app for your PC. So now when you have actually gotten it, then what you're going to do on your controller is to just click on the Xbox logo here until the light turns on. Now you're on the GameSir Nexus app. Here you can change the dead zone. As you can see, you can click on sticks here and you can, on left stick and right stick, choose exactly what type of settings that you want to have. Even the buttons here, as you can see, triggers, vibrations, and so on. And also I'm just going to click on the home button here. You can see you can also force left trigger vibration, sync left trigger vibration, and stuff like that here. You can also change the polling rate here if you want to. But one of the most important steps to take when you firstly connect your controller here to GameSir Nexus is to click on the firmware upgrade and get the newest update, because it's gonna fix a lot of bugs basically. So make sure to upgrade if you haven't done so already. And in here you can play around and you will be able to set up exactly how you want your controller to actually look. And it's obviously very individual, so it's completely up to you how you want it to be. But basically you're able to set it up in here, and that is exactly how to do this.